Evening, everybody. This is Taylor with Game Edge coming at you with a quick market status from Monday, July 25th. Here's our general disclaimer page. Please give this a read when you've done so. Let's move on. Here we have our tick US model. As we were discussing last week, very constructive week. Nice series of higher highs, higher lows, trending above our shortest term moving average ribbon. We were talking about how we were a bit extended Thursday. Friday, we did roll over. We lost the short term moving average ribbon, telling our members this was typically a good spot to lock in some profits if none were realized on this move higher. We did stabilize in the afternoon, create a higher low, so we want to see this hold next week. If we do lose this, then it's likely we could trade back down to our longer term moving average ribbon, which would be a critical spot that we need to hold. Two call outs quickly. One being we did see a little bit of selling pressure via the filter tick. This was kind of a one-off last week, so we want to see if this persists or if we do start to see buying come back into the market. Lastly, short-term moving average ribbon crossed above the longer-term moving average ribbon. This is typically a constructive signal. So again, we want to see the moving average ribbon further uninverted, which would be constructive. Here we have the tick ARCX model. Comments just spoke about on the US model apply here. Very nice trending week. Did see a pullback consolidation on Friday. Lost a short-term moving average ribbon again. Good spot to lock in some profits. However, the structure is still constructive, and we want to see further consolidation and then another push higher. Here we have our SPY Gamma dashboard from Friday morning. 400 was our profit target coming into the session where we did kiss. This is our plus GEX level. From here, we traded back down to our line in the sand at 395. Looking into next week, I want to see more further capital start to build out and accumulate above 400. Ideally, this would then shift our plus GEX level higher and higher, which is constructive. Under 395, we start flirting with more negative gamma strikes. This could lead to a more volatile move to the downside. However, again, 395, this is my key level next week. Here is the 5-minute chart with those gamma levels overlaid again that we were just discussing. Kissed 400, which was plus GEX's green line here on Friday, where we traded down to 395. Again, 395 is a big level in my mind. We lose 395, we could start trading down to 390, 385, so on and so forth. So again, levels are pretty clear headed into next week. Here we have our longer term daily chart in the SPY. We've been tracking this 385 level, kind of a key line in the sand here on bullish above, bearish below. We did get a bit extended, running top of the channel, which corresponded with an extended tick. We did trade down from here. So from a TA point of view, we could trade down to 385. This would still be constructive in my mind. So again, just going to have to follow price in our tools. Being the weekend, we will go over some industry ETFs. Here we have what we call our fish pond heat map. Down here, looking at 722, this is the GEX ratio. You can see we have two sectors in positive cumulative gamma, that being healthcare and technology. However, you will see from a week over week perspective, we had improvements in just about every sector. So again, this is pretty constructive. So going over our positive cumulative gamma sectors real quick, we have XLK. You can see the green wing is slightly above the red wing. This is constructive. Looking at the price level chart, you can see price is hovering right above 0 GEX level. This is typically a good spot to initiate a position in terms of risk management with a good level to trade against. From here, target right now would be plus GEX at 170. Here we have healthcare, again, positive cumulative GEX, evidenced by the wing chart. From a price chart point of view, we have price consolidating right under positive trends. Again, good spot to initiate a trade in terms of a good level to trade against. From here, looking for price target of 135. And bulls want to see this plus GEX shift higher, which indicates more capital being committed higher and higher. Lastly, another sector that's been quite constructive for a few weeks has been XBI. Just wanted to hit on it real quick. Kind of a tough Friday, however, Still constructive structure, positive cumulative gex, trading right above 0 gex of 79.5. So from here we want to see this hold and then push up towards 90. So that's all I got for you guys tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys were able to take advantage of what we were talking about last week. Should be an interesting week coming up this week. If y'all are interested in more tools that we have, more dashboards, single stock stuff, here's our website here, free 2-week trial for any that join. We also have our Twitter here, and then obviously YouTube you found here. So appreciate the time, and I'll be talking to y'all tomorrow. So have a good night. Bye.